This is Ann, and my last video was all about color, and that was pretty cool. And I love color. I just love flowers, and I love kind of deciding what colors I love to have in my space around me. And I discovered these people actually in Virginia that do this amazing color print analysis. Now, it's related to the chakras, but it's also something that they kind of completely figured out on their own. I don't even know what to call it, but it's called your color print. And it can help you with everything from your life purpose to your energy level to things that are going on with you health-wise, to how you relate to your friends and family. I mean, there's so many systems out there, and I've looked at a lot of them, and this is one that I felt was so spot on when they did my analysis. So check it out. It's called My Color Print, and you know, see what you can find out. Just for a little bit amount of money, you can get your first 5 colors done and just see what it's like. And they also have so much information on the website. You can just even check out and see if it seems like something for you. But, you know, colors all around, color affects us. You know, I'm a Waldorf teacher, and a big part of how we create our rooms is what color do we have on the wall. And not having a flat color, but having a color that's breathing. So, colors are really powerful. And, you know, in advertising, people use color all the time. You know, they do all this market research and artistic research in the background, and they come out with some restaurant, and then they decide, oh, well, this is the color that makes people hungrier, so we're going to put that in there. So we know color is powerful. We know it affects us. We might as well be a little bit more conscious about what works for us and what really makes that difference. So, yeah. All right, so YouTube site, please go ahead and subscribe. And if you're interested, and then Facebook, you can press like. And I'd love to hear your comments about color and how color works with you. I mean, there's so many things I could go on and on. Okay, talk to you. Bye-bye.